So that is a very important topic that also is in the myelofibrosis field, because anemia is a very significant burden to our patients for not only financial, but quality of life, time consuming. And the study basically led to approval of the latest JAK inhibitor, Momelotinib, which is not only JAK, but also ACVR1, which works through the hepcidin control to basically offset the anemias for these patients. And I had an active comparator for anemia control, which is Danazol, that's been used for myelofibrosis anemia for years. And impressively so, even in this clinical trial, it showed control in about, almost up to 1/3 of the patients in one or the other way. So that's really not a placebo. And the control of the anemia costs and the time consuming has been then investigated in other post-hoc analysis of this study that basically show patients saved on time, whether they started with transfusion dependency, transfusion independency, just simply going to clinic and getting assessments, getting the transfusions that they need, the time, the burdens, and also they led to saving of the cost of the care, because it's not only the anemia treatment with the transfusion, but it's also the care of the providers, the facilities, and basically all of these including. So I think these post-hoc analyses are giving us a little bit more bright onto how much do we save, more importantly, how much do patients save, and how more convenient it is for them to really have a drug that addresses the most important things that they need to have addressed with their disease.